Hey gang, RV Jerry here, and today we have a new tow car. So we have some new equipment to put on this 2019 Ford Fiesta. Okay, we have I think they call this a base plate, although it doesn't look much like a base plate. It just connects onto the structure inside here. We got to take all this off, and we have a trailer hitch, the small one, to go on the back side of it. So here we go. Let's get these boxes open and see what we got. Okay, from eTrailer.com. We have a tow hitch which goes on the back. Like a good little piece of iron here. Alright. We'll put that on the back. Put that right there. And in this kit, more stuff. Probably open the end, look like. Yeah, lots of stuff in here. Still in the picture? I think we are. And we have lots of packing stuff. Got these two little things. Get this piece here. This is where these connections go. These things here. I think I'm in the picture. There we go, look at that. Looks good. Okay. Lots of bolts and some instructions. Okay, we'll get going with this. Okay, we have got that done. Me. This is how it works. Just like that. This is for your safety chain. If you want to take it off, you pull this pin, twist it. Give you a look at this pin. This is the pin you pull, twist it comes right off. So, go on. There's one. Take the other one. Voila, we're ready to go. Okay, I'm going to try to show this to you. Right up here, switch cameras, is a hole, and there's a rubber piece that goes in there. It goes in from this side. I suggest you pull this down. It's kind of like a damper thing, so I'm trying to leave it in place. And we're going to poke the wires through this hole here. And I have my auxiliary power, which is going to go to my battery. And what all else has to go through there is the call this the Brake Buddy breakaway installation. And these two wires have got to go in from the other direction, from this direction, not the other direction. And I'm going to have to poke these through this hole. And up here, you can see the hole barely peeking through right there. Pretty hard. I'll put these on a stick to get them through there. And then mount this thing somewhere out front. So I think I'll get that mounted first. And here's the rubber piece. This will go back up behind that. Where did it go? Oh, it's right there. This will go right in there. Sticks through that way. These wires will go right through these holes that I've cut in here, so that they will be airtight. Just cut them with the razor blade about the thickness of this cable, since I'm going to be running 2 cables through here. It's pretty thin. Okay, I got a plan. Let me see. Let me get to it. And this is my auxiliary power, and I'm going to mount that. Seems like I've got a place right here where it can go, and it's out of my leg room. Of course, the wires will be on the inside there. Hopefully, that's the way it'll work. Okay, there I've got my clean wires, clean setup there. And there's my power source. And under here, I have my breakaway wires. And they just route right underneath here, right under this panel, right back there. You can see them. See it running right in there, the doorway. Okay, on the outside, here's what we got. It came with this fuse. So that's in there on the positive side, connected to the white. And the black one I have a very powerful clamp here, so that when I disconnect the battery there, we'll just connect this. Then I will have power. Already tested it, works just fine. So we are all set. Me and my little car are all ready to go, and you really have to look hard to see this. The switch is mounted right here. Let's get that light on again. Here we go. And you can see I've got it mounted there with a couple screws, little trick there, some wires, and around the back of the switch. And of course these holding it in. This is the cable. Your drag safety chains, and of course your piece there. Looks real good. Okay, this is RV Jerry. Thanks for watching.